Hey, welcome back guys to YouTube channel Dynamic Modeling of the Cities. Today we are going to learn a modifier which is really easy to learn, twist. So for that what we are going to do is make box, and now go to the modifier and twist. For over here you can always change the angle, whichever angle you want to twist. You can see I'm changing the angle, whichever angle you want to see. Not only the angle, but you can also select the axis. As you can see, the objects is already to it. And yeah, the main thing is whenever you are putting this kind of uh, modifiers and you don't want to put every modifier and every each of area, so what you can do is just twist, select on the twist drag and drag on to another building, so it's also will be applying the modifier, so you don't have to use every time those modifiers again if you are using the same building. So this is it for you guys. I hope you have learned well. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe and like this video. Thank you very much.